You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the full form of the acronym LED. What does it stand for? How do you say it? How do you pronounce it? LED, or LED sometimes, stands for light emitting diode, or in American English, light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is the full form of LED. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. More videos here to learn more meanings and pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.